So my name is Kristian Thomas Luter and my company is Dovetail Electric Aviation. Our company is based in Australia and our idea is to actually start or to create an electric plane out of conventional planes like a Cessna Caravan or a King Air. So Dovetail Electric Aviation started a couple of years ago in Australia. Our aim was to actually start a system that was capable of making with hydrogen and batteries a aircraft that could fly. We did a couple of tests rounds back in Australia and also in Spain, and we actually developed our first test rig back in Australia and Spain with hydrogen and batteries. So my role in the company, I'm the lead engineering on electronics and electrics. So my main key aspects of what I'm working is to develop all the interconnections of all the different systems, right? So basically how the fuel cell has to put the energy into the engine, how the batteries have to put the energy into the engine. All those connections, electrical connections, have to be managed in a certain way. Also, all the control systems have to be managed in a certain way with certain electronics, so I would also develop that kind of systems. And basically trying to merge all the different systems that we need in order to generate that thrust for the plane into a single piece. I would say there are two main challenges. One are the thermal management that you have to have on the engine and power electronics. So for instance, the engine, it's a really efficient engine. We're talking maybe a 98-99% efficiency, but we're talking a really high powers, 600 kilowatts, 700 kilowatts, which is actually generates a heat of around maybe 50 kilowatts or 60 kilowatts, which you have to throw it somewhere. Conventional planes, you just have the heat just goes out of the thrust and you're done. In our case, we need to use systems like, for instance, water systems or oil-cooled systems that actually will eliminate that heat, bring it up to another side so you can actually throw it away. And others are like power electronics, where you have really, really high currents and really, really small spots, and you actually need to eliminate that heat from those elements in a really compact way, because size and weight is a really key factor in this kind of planes. So on the Thermal Management Expo, we're looking mainly for maybe suppliers that can give us types of foams that are actually help us build our batteries. Also maybe some pumps or maybe some thermal management systems, oils, all this kind of, I would say, components that we need in order to manufacture this kind of system.